Japan.
Hey, YouTube! Welcome to Reina's channel. Before traveling to Japan, doing your research is super important. Today's video is all about Japan's bike sharing system. In recent years, bike sharing has exploded in Japan's cities, making it super easy for tourists to use, too. It's a convenient, eco-friendly way to get around, so why not give it a try? And stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing my top 5 favorite cycling routes in Japan. Alright, let's dive in and master Japan's bike sharing system. Let's go!
Japan.
Major bike share services. Japan has several bike share services, but here are some of the most tourist-friendly options. 1. Hello Cycling, a bike share service available at stations nationwide. You can reserve and return bikes via a smartphone app, with full English support. Features. Available in cities and tourist areas across Japan. Fees start at 70 yen per 15 minutes. Payment via credit card or QR code. 2. Docomo Bike Share, a rental bike service available in cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Yokohama. Its distinctive red electric-assisted bicycles are easy to spot. Features. Affordable rates starting at 165 yen per 30 minutes. Unlimited rides with a one-day pass. Easy unlocking with a smartphone app or IC cards. 3. Loop, a next-generation share service. Offering compact electric bicycles and e-scooters, especially popular in central Tokyo. Features. Both electric bicycles and scooters available. Simple pricing at 10 yen per minute. Easy to use via smartphone app. How foreign tourists can rent a bike. So, how can foreign tourists rent a bike in Japan? 1. Download the app and register an account. Each bike share service has its own app. So start by downloading the app and creating an account. Supported apps. Hello Cycling, App Store, Google Play. Docomo Bike Share, App Store, Google Play. Loop, App Store, Google Play. 2. Set up a payment method. Most services support credit card payments. Some also allow payments using Japanese IC cards, making transactions convenient. 3. Find a nearby station and reserve a bike. Use the app's map function to locate a nearby rental station and reserve a bike. If available, you can rent a bike on the spot without a reservation. 4. Unlock the bike and start your ride. Once at the designated station, unlock the bike by scanning the QR code with the app, or tapping an IC card. Now, enjoy your ride. 5. Return the bike at a designated station. After use, return the bike to a designated station. Don't forget to complete the return process via the app. Important rules for bike usage in Japan. When using a bicycle in Japan, follow these rules. Ride on the road, not the sidewalk. Some sidewalks allow bikes. Keep to the left side of the road. Observe traffic signals and signs. Turn on lights at night. Never ride under the influence of alcohol. Conclusion. Japan's bike share services provide a convenient and easy way for tourists to explore the country. With smartphone apps, you can rent bikes without worrying about language barriers. On your next trip to Japan, try using a bike share service and enjoy sightseeing at your own pace.
How is that? Riding through a cycling road lined with fully bloomed cherry blossoms in spring is just magical. Now, thank you for waiting. It's time to reveal Reina's top 5 favorite cycling routes in Japan. Let's start with number 5, which goes to the Toyama Bay cycling course in Toyama Prefecture. This 102 kilometers route runs along the beautiful bay with minimal inclines, making it a smooth ride for beginners. It takes about 8.5 hours to complete, and along the way, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the coastline and the majestic Tateyama mountain range. It's a great way to enjoy both nature and sightseeing at the same time. Moving on to number 4, we have Tokapuchi 400 in Hokkaido. This 403 kilometers loop takes you through the vast Tokachi Plain, offering a mix of mountain routes in the north, leading all the way to Mikuni Pass, and stunning panoramic landscapes of the Hidaka mountain range in the south. Cycling through Hokkaido's endless open roads is a once-in-a-lifetime experience you won't forget. Next up, let's talk about number 3. Biwa-ichi in Shiga Prefecture. This iconic 200 kilometers route lets you cycle around Lake Biwa, Japan's largest lake, in a counterclockwise direction. If you're an experienced rider, you can complete it in a single day, but I highly recommend taking 2 to 3 days to fully enjoy the breathtaking scenery, delicious local food, and sightseeing spots along the way. Plus, you can even shorten the course by hopping on a ferry. Now, on to number 2, which goes to Tsukuba Kasumigara Rinrin Road in Ibaraki Prefecture. This 180 kilometers cycling route combines the former Tsukuba railway track and a scenic lakeside road around Lake Kasumigara. As you ride, you'll pass through Suigo Tsukuba National Park, historical sites like Kashima Shrine, and stunning views of Mount Tsukuba. It's a route packed with both natural beauty and cultural heritage, making it a must-ride for cycling enthusiasts. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. My number 1 pick is the Shimanami Kaido cycling route, stretching from Hiroshima to Ehime. Of course, this one had to take the top spot. This 70 kilometers route is Japan's first cross-sea cycling road, connecting Onamichi in Hiroshima to Imabari in Ehime through a series of islands in the Seto Inland Sea. With its world-famous ocean views and scenic island hopping experience, this route is loved by cyclists from all over the world. So, what do you think? All of the cycling routes I introduced today are part of Japan's National Cycle Route, officially recognized by the government as world-class cycling routes. But trust me, there are so many more amazing cycling roads across Japan waiting for you to explore. There's still so much to discover in Japan, and I'll keep bringing you all kinds of exciting info about this amazing country, so stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to know when I post new content. Oh, and great news, I've also launched a website with articles related to this video. You can even book tours and shop for souvenirs. Check out the link in the description below. Alright, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Sayonara.